Hello and welcome to another video. If you remember, OpenAI has promised that GPT-4 will be able to analyze images, meaning that we can upload an image and get all the information we need. However, I just discovered a new free tool called Mini GPT-4 that is not made by OpenAI, but has similar capabilities. In this video, we will test Mini GPT-4 to see if it actually works as advertised or not. You can also try it out yourself after watching this video. When you open the Mini GPT-4 website, you see a lot of videos and images that show us what exactly this tool can do. For example, this image shows some leaves with holes, and the AI tool was asked what the problem with this plant is. The tool understood the image well, recognized the problem, and provided a good solution to solve it. This feature can be very useful for emergency situations. Like imagine when your car breaks down and you don't have access to a mechanic. At least you can understand what is wrong with your car. In another example, the AI tool was asked to describe a photo. As you see, it did a good job recognizing and describing the elements in the image. It was also asked if a cactus growing among ice crystals could happen in the real world like this picture, and the tool answered no, stating that this is probably a computer-generated image. It can be said that this tool has an interesting detection power. Here, someone uploaded a photo of 2 mugs and asked for an advertising text. The resulting text looks very professional and creative. Apparently, the tool was able to describe the image well and write a professional ad. So you can also use this tool to make ads or write captions for Instagram posts. In this example, the AI tool was asked how to make a dish similar to the one in the photo. The tool provided a list of required ingredients and detailed instructions on how to cook the dish accurately. Of course, it is impossible to understand from a photo what is inside the food and what ingredients should be used to make exactly this food. Another interesting feature of this AI tool is its ability to write poems based on pictures. This could be a fun and potentially lucrative activity if you share the poems on Medium and earn money from visits. And the last cool feature is the face recognition capability. In this meme from the Lion King cartoon, Elon Musk's face was replaced with the lion's face, and the AI tool was able to accurately recognize Elon Musk. Okay, this seems like an interesting tool, but we have to test it to see if the result is really that good and accurate or not. You can access the tool through the link in the description. On the home page, if you click on the demo button or scroll down, you will find the Mini GPT-4 demo section. I will upload a photo of a dish that looks like Asian cuisine, a combination of meat, fruit, and vegetables. Although I'm not sure what it is, but it looks very delicious. It's really strange that the photo needs to be uploaded twice. Okay, let's ask this AI tool, how should I make something like this? Well, it identifies the dish as a falafel wrap with lettuce, tomato, and tzatziki sauce. And the recipe requires the following ingredients: pita bread, chickpeas, romaine lettuce, and so on. Honestly, I searched for falafel and found that the AI tool's answer is almost accurate, except for the missing middle skewer. If it is not falafel, please leave a comment with the correct dish name. Let's test the AI tool's face recognition ability with another photo. Okay, nice. It successfully recognized President Barack Obama and President Putin. Let's do another test. I asked this AI tool to give me a good caption with hashtags for an Instagram post of this photo. Actually, I think the generated caption is short, so I request a longer version with more hashtags. In my opinion, it is not creative enough. Maybe I should have provided more explanation in my request. But overall, we can say that this tool has a good understanding of the photo. Okay, in the end, you can test this tool yourself. Based on my experience, sometimes the tool has a low speed as it is still in the demo phase. Sometimes it may even take over 10 minutes to analyze a photo. Overall, we can say that currently as a demo version it appears to be good, and hopefully its faults will be addressed in the future.